Hey guys, Wally's Gaming back, and I have a cool little early bird booster from new card game on Kickstarter, uh, Cataclysm Arcade. So it's pretty exciting. Let's see what we get. One booster. Super excited for this new card game. If I could only open it. There we go. Let's see what we get. Slider Untuned. Fighter Time Wolf. Nice. Hard Knocks. Emergency Brake. I really don't know the rarities of these. Orson Quick Stinger. Oh, that's cool. And I really don't know what faction I'm going to be picking for my and constructed. But Voltage Snap, Galen, Nurturer, alright. Got a lot of shifters though, that's pretty cool. I had another shifter, I got a lot of shifter. Burgess, Borrower Beneath. Oh. Oh, that's cool. Max, Samsung, Lemony. Now, I don't know if these are all the same. Oh, the decommissioner. Oh. And I got tokens. Does it tell you tips for your... Do these come in every... Tips on how to play the decommissioner. Oh, that's cool. This is my first boss then. Nice. So, there you go. Super excited to play this game. You just need one booster pack. But on Kickstarter, I got the ordered 2 boxes and one of the, I guess it's not really a starter kit, but whatever they have for like 25 bucks. So super excited to get into this game, to get better at this game, and to be one of the to try the whatever they have for constructed. So, all right, guys, see you next time.